Hey y'all, we back. Okay, this is your first time stopping by. My name is Mikara Reid. I'm an image consultant and I've had many years in the fashion and retail industry. And today I will be teaching you how to fold your jeans like a retail store. Yes, I have done a lot of visual merchandising for a few brands, the latest Louis Vuitton. And if you have been just cleaning out your closet, I've definitely been doing a lot of closet cleaning virtually these past 2 months. And this is definitely like a hot topic, just folding your clothes and just organizing yourself and just kind of decluttering your household. And folding, I don't think anybody really knows the effectiveness of having like organization to their liking and to their lifestyle. And for those who wear a lot of jeans, this video, this information, this visual is going to be very effective for you. For me, let me tell y'all a fun fact. I actually do not wear jeans. I'm not a big denim wearer. Like, I think I stopped like maybe about 5-6 years ago when I started living in Miami, and humidity and just the stickiness and just the jean material. Like, I just never liked the feeling. So I kind of just shifted and that also just made me like blossom more to my femininity. But yeah, I actually do not. I have probably like one denim. The other one is like a black, but it looks more like slacks. I had to dig in my treasure chest of clothes that I use for like models and stuff like that, and brands just let me keep. I had to like dig and look for jeans because I really just, I'm not a big denim wearer. Like, that's not really my thing. You'll probably catch me wearing denim by less than 5 times a year. If anyone who's ever worked with me, like, and they thought about it, like, you're gonna notice I've rarely wear jeans. But we're gonna get right into how to fold your jeans, your denim, like a retailer. Guys, I know this is probably going to be extremely helpful for you when you start organizing your closet. You kind of just sort out what jeans you want and what jeans you are throwing out. Once you throw it out, definitely fold your jeans like this, and everything is going to be aligned. Everything is predominantly aligned, but unfortunately the bottom one is like a boot cut, so you're seeing like the end of the leg, the flare out, hanging out. But everything else is definitely aligned like a retailer, like you would see at a store. And you see some garments on the display, and you're like, man, everything is so nice, I don't want to mess it up. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do that. If you have not checked out how to fold your t-shirts like a retailer, definitely go check that out. I definitely laid the grounds for that as well. So I'm gonna put y'all up on some $1 million game, okay? Y'all better appreciate. I'm just playing, but let's get started. So first, what you're gonna do is fold your denim in half the long way. So you're gonna grab the sides, the left and the right, and you're gonna fold it in half. Once you've done that, you're gonna make sure you do it on like a bed or like a table. Table is better, just so you can get like an even and stern foundation. Once you've done that, you get the crotch. Yes, you grab the crotch part and then you fold it in a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit, so it will not be sticking out. That is definitely a trick that a lot of stores do, so everything can be aligned like all the sides that I showed you before. Once you fold the crotch part in, you grab the bottom of the end of your pants where your ankles are, and you fold it all the way up to the top where your belt part is. It doesn't matter how far, if you want to do it the first line up or the second, but just make sure you're consistent with the other jeans when you keep doing it. So once you fold it halfway to the top, you're going to bring that ending part, just the ending part of both legs, you're going to fold it half again. Now, once you fold it half again, make sure everything is even, make sure everything is, together and aligned. And once you've done that, you grab the top and you put it over the other half. And voila, there you have it. Yeah, it's very, very simple. Denim is very simple. You can do that. You can bang it out in like 30, probably less than 30 seconds. But folding denim is definitely a lot easy. T-shirt was a little bit, a lot of steps, but the pants is definitely a lot easier. For those who actually fold their jeans and put it in like the closet or the drawer, that is definitely a step. And once you do that and everything is like aligned, you can like organize your denim. One row is straight leg, the next row is boot cuts, the other leg is, bell bottoms, however you wear your jeans, but make sure like the sections are together so they won't be kind of like scattered like how this is. See, if I just did these two, like these two are straight legs, everything is aligned. So I'm definitely giving y'all $1 million game, okay? That's why I'm an image consultant. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tip that I just gave you for how to fold your jeans like a retailer. Definitely try it out. Let me know down in the comments and definitely give me a thumbs up. And I'll check in with y'all next time. Bye, y'all. Another thing I totally forgot to mention is to make sure you button your jeans, your denim. It gives it more of a clean, finished look when you do that, because, if you don't do it, especially for those that you've just been wearing a lot, they kind of create its own form and you need it to form in with the rest. So buttoning your denim when it's folded, it definitely gives a finished touch and a more clean, sleek look when you start placing it in your closets.